Hi, my name is Gloria from Bismarck Technologies. For the past 10 years, Bismarck Technologies has been teaching children technology skills like basic ICT skills, coding and robotics, website design and development, game development, video editing and animation, graphics design and motion graphics, and a whole lot more. One of the frequently asked questions by parents is, why should my child learn technology skills? But the truth about it is that it's no news that we're now in a digital age, and technology skills are required in everything we do now. So no matter the future career choice of your child, they need to acquire these skills to prepare them and equip them for their future. Interestingly, learning these technology skills has a whole lot of lifelong benefits. These technology skills can help children develop critical thinking skills, help them in problem solving, and even increase their creativity. That's awesome! Here at Bismarck Technologies, your kids get to have practical hands-on training with the 100% guidance and attention of their trainer to create projects based on the knowledge they acquire here. That's interesting. What is that skill your child actually wants to learn? Why not register them today in our Kids and Tech Summer Bootcamp training? The summer holiday is fast approaching. What would your kids be doing at home? Do you want them to play all the time? Do you want them to play all the while? This is actually the best time to start equipping them with these digital skills that can prepare them for their future. The good news is we have 2 offices in Abuja, one at the Central Business District opposite NNPC Towers and First Avenue, Gwarimpa. Bring your children to Bismarck Technologies today, where they can get practical hands-on training and the 100% attention of their trainer, taking them step by step into building and creating great projects based on what they are learning. You see that sign-up link below? Click on it now and register them. We will be glad to have your kids in class.